The main function of various KNX devices. KNX power supply. KNX power supply is to provide and regulate the DC voltage required to power and maintain stable communication across all devices on a KNX bus system. KNX push button. KNX push button is an input device used to send manual control commands, example for switching, dimming, scenes onto the KNX bus. KNX shutter actuator. KNX shutter actuator controls the movement of blinds, curtains, or shutters, example for up, down, and positioning through the KNX network. KNX IP router. KNX IP router connects the KNX network to an IP network, enabling communication, programming, and remote access over Ethernet. KNX Universal Interface. KNX Universal Interface enables integration of conventional switches or sensors into the KNX system by converting their signals into bus commands. KNX USB interface. KNX USB interface provides a communication link between a computer and the KNX bus for programming, monitoring, and diagnostics. KNX touchscreen panel. KNX touchscreen panel provides a centralized user interface to monitor and control multiple building functions through the KNX system. KNX switching actuator. KNX switching actuator controls on and off switching of electrical loads such as lights or appliances via the KNX bus. KNX dimming actuator. KNX dimming actuator adjusts the brightness level of lighting smoothly based on control signals from the KNX system. KNX IR transmitter. KNX IR transmitter converts KNX commands into infrared signals to control IR-based devices like TVs or air conditioners. KNX sensor. KNX sensor detects environmental conditions, such as motion, temperature, or light levels, and sends corresponding signals to the KNX bus. KNX line coupler. KNX line coupler connects and isolates different KNX lines while filtering and forwarding communication between them.